An absent-minded teller switched the dollars and cents when he cashed a check for Jana, giving her dollars instead of cents and cents instead of dollars. After receiving the money, Jana realized that she got exactly $17.82 more than the amount of her check. The sum of the number of cents and the number of dollars in the amount of her original check was exactly 30. That is, if the original amount of her check was D dollars and C cents, then D plus C is equal to 30. What was the amount of her original check? This is an algebraic problem, and when we solve an algebraic problem, we first try to define our variables. And this is how we are going to define our variables. Let's say her original check was for D dollars and C cents, and the amount she received was C dollars and D cents. If that's the case, let's find out how much money in cents she were to receive according to her original check. If she were to get D dollars, she should have gotten D times 100 cents plus the C cents. This would have been her total amount that she should have gotten in cents. But she really got this amount. She got C dollars, which turns out to be 100 times C cents plus D cents, so you add the D. This is the amount she received in cents, and this is the amount she should have received in cents. We're converting everything to cents just to be consistent. I could have chosen dollars, but I chose cents because that way I can avoid decimals. So once again, you want to make sure you understand this slide. What we are trying to say here is that she should have gotten 100 times D plus C cents originally, according to her check, but she received 100 times C plus D cents. Now, according to the question, we know two things. According to the question, the amount that she received is $17.82 more than the amount that she should have gotten. So the received amount is $17.82 more. Instead of writing $17.82, I wrote 1782 cents, 1782 cents, because everything should be in the same unit. So this is the amount she received. This is the amount she should have received according to her original check, and the amount she received is more. So if you subtract the two, you're going to get the difference, which according to the question is $17.82, which turns out to be 1782 cents. Now, question also gives us one more thing. If you add C to D, the total number of cents to the total number of dollars, you get 30. So we have two equations that we're going to work on. So what we have here is the first equation from the previous slide, and all we have to do is simplify it. 100C minus C is 99C. Look, there is a minus sign here. That'll change the sign to minus. And D minus 100D is negative 99D, and 1728 comes here. You factor out 99, you get C minus D is equal to 1782. You divide both sides by 99, you're going to get C minus D is equal to 18. So our equation 1 becomes simpler. C minus D is equal to 18. So equation 1 simplifies to C minus D is equal to 18, and we had another equation, C plus D is equal to 30, which was our equation 2. So we need to solve for C and D. One way to do it is add the two equations. You're going to get 2C is equal to 48 because 30 plus 18 is 48. So if you divide both sides by 2, C turns out to be 24. So we found one of the numbers, the number of cents, must be 24. Now what we need to do is take our 24, the value of C, and put it in one of the equations. I chose the second one. So instead of C, I'm going to put 24. 24 plus D is 30, so D has to be 6. So my answers are, her original amount was $6.24. Let's revisit the question. So we concluded that our original amount on the check was $6.24, and she must have received $24.06, and the difference between $6.24 and $24.06 is exactly $17.82. You can double check, and 24 plus 6 is 30. Now here is a problem for you to try. It's a very similar question, and I want you to try this problem. Pause the video, try this problem, and the answer to this question that you're seeing is underneath, is right below the screen, so the answer is there. You can double check if you got it right.